All right, you about to jump right into it. This the mannequin head. You feel me? And this the stuff I used. I used that Vivica Fox hair, a couple pins, comb brush. So I already parted it, but I'm about to tell you how I parted it. Just go straight down the middle and then make sure that you put it in two buns because we're doing the opposite on the other side. So whatever you do on one side, you got to make sure you're doing the other side. So just divide it. All right, so now I'm doing her edges. So I got to like take hair from the corners like that and part it. So don't part it straight down, but make sure you put like sections. So yeah, like that. Alright, so after that I braid down the baby hair so it won't get in the way. And then I make sure I put a pin on there real quick to hold it while I'm braiding, so it won't get in the way. It's pretty simple. After that, it's just like that. Boom. So that's what I'm using. You feel me? That's the stuff. Yeah. It's from my school. I go to the Beauty Institute. Alright, so I decided to do a zigzag part. That's how it go. Yeah. Alright, here go the hair. You know what to do. You gotta divide it in little parts like that. Alright, so now I'm putting the little stuff on there from my school, you know, lathering it up a little bit so it look nice and sleek when I braid it. Then, you know, you grab 3 pieces of hair and you go down. So this part I made slow so you can see what I'm doing. So I'm taking 3 pieces, grabbing the piece, going under, boom, grabbing the piece, going under. Make sure, yeah, you pull through because it be drawn sometimes. Like, then I add the hair. I put it in between my index finger and my thumb. And then I braid it down, put it in, braid it down, boom. I grab some hair, grab it. And then the hair that I put to the side, like up here, I put right into that braid, going into it like that, boom. If y'all want another tutorial on this, like breaking it down, then I could do that and go up like real close so y'all can see. Because I know it's still probably hard trying to see. But that's the gist of it. And make sure you break through because it does get tangled sometimes. So I add that here and there too. Boom. Boom. Just like that. See? A little closer. Put that hair down. Then I go under. I grab some hair. Yep. And then right after I'm about to bring it around, and then I grab some hair, and then boom, attach it, and then I go down. So make sure you put it in there. Make sure you grab the hair, and you just keep going down. Keep going down. Just make sure you braid it all the way down, and don't mind the product at the top because it's gonna dissolve later on as you're doing it. So just keep going down. Make sure the hair is entangled. Add some more hair. Look, your index finger and my thumb connected in. See? The hair I'm braiding with, put that hair at the top to the side. Yeah, just like that. Don't worry if the hair get tangled. It's okay. Make sure it's in there just like that. Put it to the side. Yep. Grab the hair back and finish braiding down. Boop. Connect it. Boop. I'm going to speed it up for y'all. Put it in, and there you go. And just braid it down. That's simple. Yep. And it's going, yep, add it in there. Put it to the side, braid it down. Yep, there you go. Yep, and then braid it all the way down. I add some product to my hand, so as I'm braiding down, the hair can blend in with the hair. You see how I look all sleek and stuff? It's because of the product. So now it's time to do the part. So this part was kind of complicated because I didn't know what I wanted to do. And then I'm like, oh, I can make a heart. You feel me? So that's what I did. All right, so first you just got to part it. Like, make sure it's like a diamond part. Part that side, boom. Part another side, boom. And then start braiding. Make sure you're going around. And then sometimes, like, it's okay if you mess up. You see me because I messed up. Just comb it through. Make sure the part is even and do it again. Ain't nothing to mess up. Just do it again. So, you know, just go all the way around. Make sure that the hair is in there. Take your time because, like I said, it might take some time. So don't be upset if it don't come out the right way at first. So take your time. Then you do the same thing to the opposite side. Boom. Braid it, and go down until you get your heart. And then there you go. So now it's time to make a diamond. So I'm like, I want a diamond effect. And, you know, and I wanted to do the feeding braids again. So I'm like, oh, all right, let's do the same thing. Same process. Get the hair connected, braid it down. There's no difference. That's the thing. You know how people make it on designs and stuff? It's the same technique. It's just they got a creative eye. So if you got a creative eye, who knows? You could probably make hearts, diamonds, stars, names. Like, it's just all the same technique. It's just how creative you get. So, yeah, just braid it all the way down. Same thing. Add a little product to your hand so the braid be sleek. So now this is like the parting thing. I had no idea what I wanted to do because I'm like, dang. But it's okay because I made it work. I did a little part. I'm like, I'm going to keep it going. Boom. See that? Ugh, beautiful. And that's what I did. But watch this real quick. Clip it. Boom. So basically, I just did the same thing I did to one side, I did to the other side. But now it's time to get to these edges. Everybody always want to know about the edges. So you see them 3 parts that I had, there they go on both sides. You cut them. You feel me? You cut them. See? This how I looked before, and then I cut them. Just like that. Boom. I slicked them bad boys down with some edge control. You feel me? Any edge control will work. Boom. After that, ooh, edges on fleeky. Look at it. Diamond heart. You feel me? Braids. Like zigzag. You feel me? Carly Ray. Like, period. Oh, that's the other mannequin I did over there. You feel me? Look, they twins. If y'all want an edge tutorial, let me know too. Just drop in the comments edge tutorial, and I'll show y'all how I sleek them edges. Bye, y'all. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.